let me tell you about this hair, okay? Hey, what's up, y'all? This is me, Bianca Naka, and I'm going to be providing you guys with a 2-week hair review on this hair that I currently have in. This is the Alipearl 24-inch deep wave, and this is a lace wig. Girl, viewers, watchers, this is not a sponsor video. I pay my own coins for this hair, and let me just say, honey, she is the bomb. I had to give it at least 2 weeks, and all my hair reviews are going to be at least 2 weeks. This way you guys know that I'm giving you a thorough review. Alright, so let me just start with the pros on this hair. So this is 180% density, and how it is right now is it's actually dry. So I wet it, I would say like about an hour ago, and this is how it looks dry. So as you can see, the curls are still defined, and it's so full. Like, this hair is full. Do you see that? This is 180% density. So what I put in the hair is I put in Aussie mousse. I put in this, and I put a little bit of water as well, mixed in with conditioner. You can put Kansu, shake it up in the bottle, spray it on there, run my fingers through it, and then I add this to it. When it's wet, it's more straight and curly. I think it's best if I just show you guys a picture of what it looks like when it's wet. Once it dries up, it's a little bit more full and a little more poofy, but it's still maintainable. It's not like too frizzy. It just has that nice natural look. And that's what I love the most about this hair. I've had other hair where after it dries up, it just gets it just gets tangly and nappy, and the curls just look disgusting. Another pro about this hair is it doesn't shed as much. It doesn't shed as much as I thought it would, because usually curly hair sheds a lot. But this hair didn't do that. It didn't shed so much, which I really love. Like, it's actually maintainable. Like, when I first got the hair, when I first opened the hair, it did have a little bit of shedding. So let's see. Let's do the test. One strand. So, you know, minimum shedding. I would say, I'm trying to think of cons with this hair. Do I have any cons? I would say, let me think of one con. Oh, yes. So there is one con. I feel like if you do not moisture this hair, and when I say moisture, I mean like add water or any products, mousse. If you do not add any mousse or water to this hair and you just leave it how it is, the frontal part, like the front part of the hair, it does get poofier than the wig, like if that makes sense. It just gets more poofier than the rest of the hair. So like this area, you can tell the texture is a little bit more different than the rest of this hair, but you still don't notice, you know. It's still not bad. Like, that's the only con I have on this hair. Like, I literally don't have any cons with it. I definitely recommend this hair. Recommend it. But yeah, guys, that's really all I gotta say. Like, girl, this hair is just the bomb. Just go buy it, okay? And I don't think I spent any more than $200 on this hair. This is 24 inches. You do the math. If you guys are interested, the information is definitely below. You can read the description. If you want to see some more reviews, you can go ahead and look that up as well before you buy it. But trust me, on my word, this hair is the bomb. And yeah, I also have another review that I did prior to this. It's more shorter. So if you guys are looking for a shorter length, I would say like about 14 inches, then you can definitely look into that as well. Go look at that video, check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. This is your girl Bianca Naka, and I'm shooting out.